Hey guys, how is it going? In this video, I'm going to be walking you through a pre-order strategy that we did for our clients, and now we're able to generate them $49,000 without any single inventory in just 72 hours. I'm going to be walking you through everything we did step by step in this video, and I'm going to be showing you all the strategies and all the emails in this video. So a quick background story about myself. My name is Abib. I'm the CEO and founder of Smart E-commerce, where we help e-commerce brands increase sales and profits using community building email system. And like I said, I'm going to be walking you through exactly what we did to be able to generate this kind of results for our clients in this pre-order strategy. So this brand is in the beauty niche and they wanted to add some new products to their products line. And the founder, who is our client, wanted to be sure that their customers want this product, before they start any kind of mass production, which I think is really genius because rather than just launching new products and hoping people will buy, it's better to actually ask people if they want this product. And this is exactly what we did for the founder. So we asked the community if they want this product, and after telling us that they want it, we started building hype around about the product on social media, email, and WhatsApp group. So prior to launching this product, we've already created a group, a community for this brand on WhatsApp, and we started, building hype around the product on email, social media, and also in the group. We started talking about this product with people in the group. And here are some campaigns that we sent for this particular pre-order. So after doing all the hyping and all of that, we sent a teaser email, basically teasing people that this product is going to be ready for pre-order. And after that, we sent an update email, basically updating the customers that this product is ready for pre-order. And also we asked people to vote. So this is very powerful. We asked people to vote for the kind of offer they would like to receive on this pre-order. And the next email we sent after that was announcement email. We gave two offers, ask people to vote here. But then, after seeing the result of the vote, we decided to actually go with both offers. So we gave both offers in the announcement email. And the next email we sent after that was announcement email resent to non-opener. So we basically sent the email again to people who didn't open the previous email. As you can see, here are some examples of those email here. And we also did pre-order starting 1 hour. Pre-order sale is live, and you can see here are some revenue from there. Another email we sent after that was educational content about that product plus pre-order offer reminder. So basically we are using this email to educate customers about that product, right? So we're talking about the product, we're educating them on the benefit of the product, and we also reminding them of the offer, which is the offer we gave earlier. And the next email we sent was a 3 hours flash sale. So this is really, really powerful. So it's a sale within a sale, basically. So basically what we did was, in a space of 3 hours, here's a free gift. So you're going to be getting a free gift if you, pre-order this product in the next 3 hours. And this is one of the powerful email that help us, push that revenue higher. Another email we sent was educational email about that product plus offer reminder plus urgency. So again, in this email, we're basically educating customers about the product and also reminding them of the offer and using some urgency. And the next email we sent was offer is ending in 48 hours. And the next one is offer is ending tomorrow. Offer ends tonight. And lastly, we sent an email again. Offer ends in 24 hours. And this is email and SMS, by the way. And we just, using this to push the product and add some urgency. In addition to the campaign, we also built some flows specifically for this pre-order product. So you can see here we have the browse abandonment flow, added to cart flow, abandon cart, customer thank you. So we built this flow specifically for those for that product that we want people to pre-order. So in this email, we basically say something like, hey, we saw you checking out this product. As you probably know, this product is on pre-order, and use this offer before we finish the pre-order sale. Basically, this is what we said in this email, and these flows right here help us push the sale further, and that's how we're able to generate that kind of revenue in a short period of time. And as you can see here's the result from the sale. So $49,000 from email, and also we generated some sale from SMS as well, and that's how we're able to generate them $61,000 in total in the space of 72 hours. So here are my key takeaways. And the first one is that, we need to start building a community for your brand. Community building is one of the most valuable things you can do for your business in 2024 and beyond, right? And the easiest place to start is from your email list. So this comes down to how you talk to people in your email, the kind of content you send to them. And this is exactly what we do for our clients, right? So basically, we let people know that they are part of a community and they are part of something big, right? And then you can extend this to a group like WhatsApp group, Discord, or Facebook group, right? And here's an example of what that looks like. So this is one of the groups from this brand called Crafted, and right now they're about to launch a new product, right? So it's a jewelry brand. They're about to launch a new product, and basically they're asking people to, submit a design. So they are doing a design competition right now. You can see that here, and people are literally just submitting design for free. You can see people are basically engaging in this group, right? So this is what a community building looks like. This is an example of community building. So they sent an email to their email list, asking them if they would like to participate in this product launch, and basically just move people to the Discord group, right? Similar to what we did for our clients. We basically move people to their WhatsApp group where we get them to vote on this product launch. So if you're an e-commerce store owner and you need help building a strong community for your brands and you want a loyal customer who are going to buy from you over and over again, this is something my agency does. We help our clients build community from their email list. We basically, send our email, write our emails in the form of community building, and we extend this to, groups like WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, or Discord. This is something we do in my agency. You can simply send me an email at abib@smartycommerce.com, or just shoot me a DM on Instagram at growwithabib on Instagram. I'm also going to be leaving a link in the description. You can use the link to book a call with me where we can talk about this in more details. Thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next video. And also, if you have a question, you can leave them in the comment section below. And again, I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.